Hey guys, it's Dory and welcome back to my channel. I've lost over 80 pounds and kept it off. I follow Bright Line Eating, and what we're about to do right now is make my red lentil pizza. But first, you need to do the batter. So this video has two important sections. The first section is how to make the batter, the red lentil batter. The second section is how to make the pizza. It's important to note that if you're using this pizza crust on your Bright Line Eating journey, my batter consistency usually weighs out to 8 ounces liquid, so that when it's cooked, it's 6 ounces of the lentil cooked pizza crust. And that will help you count your protein. Other than that, I would love to continue on this journey, so comment below, what are your favorite ways to eat your pizza? What are your favorite toppings? What are your favorite combinations? Because I would love to create some more stuff, and I can only do that with you and me together talking about this whole pizza business. Enjoy. One last thing is, I love to see you in action, so if you make it, be sure to tag me.
Using red lentils are key. Let's make the batter. Grab any amount of red lentils that work for you. I usually do an entire bag and a half and place it in a container, cover it with water. It should always be submerged in water 1 to 2 inches off the top. Then let that soak for a few hours or overnight. Once that's done, rinse these lentils clean. Then you're ready to blend them. Place them in your blender. I'm using a Vitamix, and use whatever seasonings work for you. Honestly, every single time I make a big batch of batter, I use so many different types of seasonings, and it's different every single time. I like seasonings that are Italian, especially if I intend to make pizza crust. Add a little bit of water, you don't need much, and blend to get to the desired consistency that works for you. You can use wide mouth mason jars to store these in the refrigerator and also in the freezer. Check out my YouTube channel for more lentil batter inspiration. Now, let's make my famous pizza crust. I'm using a dash griddle maker. You can use that or a stovetop pan. I'm going to take 8 ounces of my batter in order to produce a 6-ounce crust that's cooked. To give my crust a little bit of a cheesy flavor, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of nutritional yeast to the crust. Now, your pizza crust will take about 15 minutes to cook, and then you can also flip it over on the other side to make sure that both sides are crispy. Once both sides are crispy and your pizza crust is firm, place it on a pizza pan and start to build your pizza. 2 ounces of sugar-free marinara sauce. Now, 10 ounces of vegetables, using my hands to press those vegetables into the pizza crust. This will help hold it together. Using a little bit of nutritional yeast, a little bit of mozzarella, and we also have some Italian seasonings on the top. You're going to bake this in the oven at 450 for 15 minutes. And then your pizza is done. Now let's do the BLE math. I'm doing 6 ounces of lentil as my protein. Remember that I used 8 ounces of my batter in order to achieve a 6-ounce cooked crust. I'm using 10 ounces of vegetables and 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese as my fat serving. And as a free condiment, I'm using 2 ounces of a sugar-free all-vegetable marinara sauce. On Bright Line Eating, I use this pizza either for lunch or dinner. And especially this pizza comes in handy on the weekends. Remember to comment below on what types of foods, no sugar, no flour, you'd like to see me make next.